me tell you how crazy it is when you are a lady and you plan to. Time is very critical, in short. That's what I'm trying to say. We were supposed to be meeting with my friend at 11 a.m. and right now it's 11:47. I haven't left home and she hasn't called me. So, one thing I know for sure is that she's probably on her way. Where she's coming from, it's a bit far. So that is what is giving me the grace moment to just drag myself. But time. Guys, tell me, do you always keep time or are you always the late one? Talk to me. We are going to Karura Forest and I cannot wait to experience the day with you. See you then. Also, I want to show you how I look. I think it's a casual outfit but looks classy and cool. See, these are the shoes. I love this pant. And well, see ya on the other side. Bye. So I'm going to get another car, the second car, that is going to take me to where I'm going. Actually not where I'm going, because I'm going to alight at Mudaiga and then I'm going to board another car that apparently it's going to get me to Karura entrance. That is the only entrance I know, for your information. So let's go. This is Bika Road and I'm from Outer Ring Road, so yeah. I've alighted at Madari Hospital. I'm going to use the footbridge so that I can get to the other side of the road. I am excited, guys. It's a nature trail with a new friend of mine and I cannot wait. By now she should be here and I'm excited. Hi guys, I'm very disappointed. Seems like Karura is not happening today. Reason being, I was confused between Kikuyu and Kiambu and I gave my friend the wrong direction. I told her from town to board matatus to Kikuyu, and in my head I was so sure Kikuyu is Kiambu, and now we are here we've been talking and then she's in Kikuyu. I gave her the wrong direction. She doesn't know where Karura is. I know where Karura is, but then I got confused between Kikuyu and Kiambu and I ended up giving her the wrong directions. I told her Kikuyu and now she alighted at Kikuyu and it couldn't hit me until I met Greg on my way and he's asking me where I am going and I'm telling him, you know, I'm going to pick a friend, and tells me, no, this is Kiambu, this is not Kikuyu. And now I don't even know I don't even know if it's going to happen. I mean, it's just I don't know. It was a bright day, but doesn't seem like it anymore. I don't know. I'm in this car. This is Greg's friend car and they are doing their things. They if you don't know, Greg is my friend that I did a video with. Honestly, I don't know. So I'm waiting for them. They get done with their thing, and then I don't know what we're going. I don't know what is going to happen. But at this point, I don't even care. I just want to go home and just. I mean, look at the day ending. I mean, what else can I do? I'm so sorry, Diana. Honestly, I am so sorry. And I hope I didn't spoil your day. And in case I did, just pardon me, honestly, because I don't know how to make it a good day anymore.
Private adui. Lakini imenede adui. That is the truth. Just being marozi na imenede movie. Lakini moya ngayuthi.
It's funny, it's so funny.
Okay. Mama nende the stars so fight. Tiko pesa nisio. Bantu wa mawisho makwandika pesa. Bantu mama tudeli ya pesa manende kwa na njia starehe. Ndio nje. Njia nene kote. Na yeye ndio kwa